Diarrhea, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Diarrhea, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will help you understand, revise, and have a good general knowledge and keywords of diarrhea. Chapter 1. 1. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea is a frequent loose or watery stool. 2. Is diarrhea a common digestive issue? Yes, diarrhea is a common digestive issue. 3. Can diarrhea happen to anyone? Yes, diarrhea can happen to anyone. 4. Can diarrhea heal on its own? Yes, diarrhea can heal on its own. 5. Is diarrhea a serious condition in most cases? No, in most cases, diarrhea is not a serious condition. 6. Can diarrhea be chronic? Yes, diarrhea can be chronic. 7. Are there different types of diarrhea? Yes, there are different types of diarrhea. 8. What are the different types of diarrhea? The different types of diarrhea are acute, persistent, and chronic diarrhea. 9. What is an acute diarrhea? An acute diarrhea is diarrhea that lasts a couple of days. 10. What is persistent diarrhea? Persistent diarrhea is diarrhea that comes and goes. Chapter 2. 1. What is chronic diarrhea? Chronic diarrhea is diarrhea that lasts for several weeks. 2. What are the signs and symptoms of diarrhea? The signs and symptoms of diarrhea may include nausea, vomiting, bloating, abdominal cramps, blood in stool, pain in the abdominal region, watery stools, weight loss, fever, etc. 3. Can excessive alcohol lead to diarrhea? Yes, excessive use of alcohol can lead to diarrhea. 4. Can excessive use of laxatives lead to diarrhea? Yes, excessive use of laxatives can lead to diarrhea. 5. What are laxatives? Laxatives are medications that treat constipation. 6. Can hyperthyroidism lead to diarrhea? Yes, hyperthyroidism can lead to diarrhea. 7. What is hyperthyroidism? Hyperthyroidism is an excessive level of thyroid hormone production. 8. What organ produces thyroid hormones? The thyroid gland produces thyroid hormones. 9. Can anti-cancer medications lead to diarrhea? Yes, anti-cancer medications can lead to diarrhea. 10. Can fried foods worsen diarrhea? Yes, fried foods can worsen diarrhea. Chapter 3. 1. Can spicy foods worsen diarrhea? Yes, spicy foods can worsen diarrhea. 2. Can caffeinated drinks and beverages worsen diarrhea? Yes, caffeinated drinks and beverages can worsen diarrhea. 3. Give examples of caffeinated beverages. Examples of caffeinated beverages include soda, coffee, and tea. 4. Can radiation therapy also cause diarrhea? Yes, radiation therapy can also cause diarrhea. 5. Can parasitic infections lead to diarrhea? Yes, parasitic infections can lead to diarrhea. 6. What are parasites? Parasites are organisms that can be found in water and food that are contaminated. 7. What is the cause of traveler's diarrhea? The cause of traveler's diarrhea is contaminated food and water. 8. Could abdominal surgery lead to chronic diarrhea? Yes, abdominal surgery could lead to chronic diarrhea. 9. Can diarrhea also lead to electrolyte imbalance? Yes, diarrhea can also lead to electrolyte imbalance. 10. What are other causes of diarrhea? Other causes of diarrhea include bacteria, viruses, lactose intolerance, some medications, artificial sweeteners, celiac disease, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, fructose, etc. Chapter 4. 1. Name examples of viruses that can cause diarrhea. Examples of viruses that cause diarrhea include cytomegalovirus, norovirus, rotavirus, enteric adenoviruses, etc. 2. Name examples of bacteria that can cause diarrhea. Examples of bacteria that cause diarrhea are E. coli and Clostridioides difficile. 3. Are all bacteria bad in the body? No, not all bacteria are bad in the body. There are also good bacteria in the body. 4. What is lactose? Lactose is a kind of sugar. 5. Where can lactose be found? Lactose can be found in dairy products. 6. What is fructose? Fructose is a type of sugar. 7. What is Crohn's disease? Crohn's disease is a disease that causes chronic inflammation in the digestive tract. 8. What is celiac disease? Celiac disease is a chronic digestive autoimmune disorder in reaction to eating gluten. 9. What is ulcerative colitis? Ulcerative colitis is chronic inflammatory bowel disease that leads to ulcers. 10. Can diarrhea sometimes lead to complications? Yes, diarrhea can sometimes lead to complications. 1. What are some complications of diarrhea? Some complications of diarrhea include dehydration, kidney failure, etc. 2. Can diarrhea be infectious? Yes, diarrhea can be infectious. 3. What is a very dangerous side effect of diarrhea in children and old people? Dehydration is a very dangerous side effect of diarrhea in children and old people. 4. Name a common medication that can cause diarrhea. A common medication that can cause diarrhea is an antibiotic. 5. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are medications that fight against bacterial diseases. 6. Do antibiotics also attack the good bacteria in the body? Yes, antibiotics can also attack the good bacteria in the body. 7. Can diarrhea lead to low blood pressure? Yes, diarrhea can lead to low blood pressure. 8. Can diarrhea lead to malabsorption? Yes, diarrhea can lead to malabsorption. 9. How can diarrhea be diagnosed? Diarrhea can be diagnosed by blood test, colonoscopy, endoscopy, stool test, and hydrogen breath test. 10. What is colonoscopy? Colonoscopy is a medical exam that allows the visualization of the colon. Chapter 6. 1. What is endoscopy? Endoscopy is a medical exam that allows the visualization of the internal organs. 2. What is sigmoidoscopy? Sigmoidoscopy is a medical exam that allows the visualization of the rectum and the anus. 3. What are the treatments for diarrhea? The treatments for diarrhea include staying hydrated, taking medications, avoiding alcohol, caffeine, and foods that can upset the stomach, practicing good hygiene, washing of the hands, etc., probiotics, etc. 4. What kind of foods contain probiotics? Foods that contain probiotics include dark chocolate, yogurt, pickles, green olives, etc. 5. What kind of medications can also be used to treat diarrhea? Anti-diarrheal medications can be used to treat diarrhea. 6. What kind of foods can help relieve diarrhea? Foods such as boiled potatoes, white rice, bananas, oatmeal, etc. can help to relieve diarrhea. 7. What kind of drinks can help with electrolytes during diarrhea? Drinks such as sport drinks, soup, coconut water, and electrolyte water can help with electrolytes during diarrhea. Conclusion. Thank you again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you in your journey to understanding diarrhea.